How to make money on Fiverr without any skills at all. What's going on, guys? Francis Abogone here with another valuable video. And if you're brand new to the channel, my name is Francis. I make entrepreneurship videos, make money online methods that I have done, methods my friends have done, methods I've seen other people do online that worked for them. Okay, I mostly share those methods on how to make money online on this YouTube channel. So if you like videos such as this one I just mentioned, I invite you to hit that red subscribe button, tick that bell notification icon. That way you get notified whenever I come out with new videos. Okay, trust me, you don't want to be missing out on my content. All right, so without any further ado, let's dive right into the video, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make money on Fiverr without any skills at all. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you what to sell on Fiverr. Okay, where to get traffic to sell those gigs or to sell those offers on Fiverr. And also I'm going to be giving you guys a software. I'm going to be showing you guys the software you can use to automate your Fiverr income, okay, to make money fast on Fiverr, okay, even if you don't have any skills at all. So make sure you stay to the end and watch this video to the end so you can get the most value out of this video, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. So with that being said, let's dive right in. So first things first, we're on Fiverr, as you can see right here. We're on Fiverr.com. If you don't know what Fiverr is a freelance website. Okay, I know a lot of people in Nigeria, in Bangladesh, in India, in America, okay, in the UK that mostly offer their services on Fiverr. Okay, when you go onto Fiverr, you see a lot of freelancers right there. So Fiverr is a freelance service website, okay, where people can go and get services, okay, for very cheap amount, okay, for low amount. It's more of like Upwork, but Upwork is more expensive. I think you can find more expensive sellers on Upwork or expensive freelancers on Upwork than Fiverr. So Fiverr is a great place for beginners to get started with, especially when you just want to make money online. Okay, so if you don't know what it is, you can just go to Fiverr.com and take a look at it, or type it on Google and see what other people are saying about Fiverr, okay, and how you can become a level 1 seller, level 2 seller, and all that. I have friends who actually make money with Fiverr every single day and every single week, day in, day out. Okay, so this is Fiverr, and we're going to be searching for SEO, okay, because you're going to be getting started. Let's say I'm going to give you some skills you're going to be looking for if you don't know what to do, you just want to make money online, and some gigs you're going to be creating on Fiverr. Okay, you need to get these skills done because you're not an SEO expert or anything, but you just want to sell these gigs and make money, right? That's the aim of watching this video. So let's type SEO. If you don't know what SEO means, SEO is actually search engine optimization. Okay, this is the first skill I think you should go for. You can see right here what people are doing with SEO. Okay, I will give you Uprank complete SEO package, okay, for $70. You can see right here this person is charging around $560 maybe to rank your website and all that on Google or any search engine at all. Okay, you can see, I think it's German sites. Okay, $45. You can see how much people are charging right here on Fiverr, okay, for their services, okay, to help people bring up their content or their website or their blogs on search engines. Okay, you know, when you go on to Google and you just type in a particular keyword, you see multiple websites who have written articles or content about those topics you just typed into Google or any other search engine. So this is what SEO is all about. Okay, it's called search engine optimization. Okay, helping people rank on search engine. Okay, so and a lot of people and a lot of websites are looking for this every single day, which you can capitalize on. Make sure you stay to the end of this video because there's something juicy and very interesting at the end I'm going to be sharing with you guys right here today. So you can see all the services people are offering right here, $40 and all that. Let's not waste any much time. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is let's say you want to go for the you want to niche down a little bit because SEO is very broad. Okay, there's so many things you can do with SEO. You can do website SEO, blog SEO, you can see right here Shopify SEO, and also you can do YouTube SEO. They use almost SEO for most big websites. Okay, so let's go for what you're going to be starting with. Okay, to earn money ASAP, let's go to YouTube SEO. This is very important. Okay, you want to niche down. Let's take one niche, which is YouTube. So this is YouTube SEO, okay, on Fiverr. You can see how much people are charging for, sellers are charging right here. $25, $5, $80, $50, okay, $15. Okay, so you can get onto this. I think this person right here is going for that cheap amount also. Let's see what this guy is doing. Optimize YouTube video for SEO. I'll optimize your video. I'll optimize the title, description, and tags of your video. Okay. Alright, this is what this guy is doing right here. And his basic package is $5, standard is $10, and his premium is $30. Okay. So as you can see, he has gotten how many? I think he has gotten about 10. Okay. Which you can just mimic what this guy is doing. Okay, just replicate what he's doing, add a one spin on it, and start making money with these offers also. Okay, so you can see this guy is in for $10 and all that. So what you're going to be doing basically is to head on to Fiverr, create an account. If you want to join, you can just click right here. Okay, become a seller. Right, you can just come to become a seller. Become a seller. Okay, so you just have to join using your Facebook or your Google, or use your email to join Fiverr. Okay, after you join, let me just go back. You make sure you join, you verify your account. So you have to start creating gigs. Okay, so you have to create YouTube SEO gigs, okay, to help people rank videos on YouTube. So you can copy what somebody is doing right here. If you don't know what to do at all, you can just come right here, look at their basic and their premium package and the standard package, and just put it right there, just like the way this guy did right here. What this guy is doing right here is charging $5 for his most basic package, $25 and $30, right? So you can just copy what this guy is doing or this guy is doing, make your price very cheap, $5. That's what you can basically do. Then you have to flip. Okay, you have to look for somebody who can help you do this at a very, very cheap amount, less than this, okay, so that you can make profit, right? So we can head over to SEO Clock. This is a website which you can use. So this is SEO Clock. This is a website you can use for SEO stuff, okay? And it's very, very cheap. They can charge very less for this, okay? You can see some of the offers right here for website SEO. It's cheaper than what you see on Fiverr, right? Okay, so if you want to niche down or want to narrow down to YouTube, you can just come right here and type in YouTube SEO and search. Let's see what's going to happen right here. Coming up slow. Okay, so we can see how much you're charging right here for YouTube SEO. You can see $3, you can see $1, you can see $2, $5, $4, $1, $1. Okay, so you can do what they call should they say skills flipping, okay, or just like drop shipping, okay, that you don't have to touch the product. Okay, so this is like a skill. You're like the middleman right here. They give you a service to render. You come here, you order a gig here, and you deliver those services. Okay, that is what you're basically going to be doing. Okay, it's not that hard to do. Okay, what you're going to be doing is you make sure you are talking to the right person right here. Maybe you might want to buy one of these gigs first to test them out. Make sure that they work, okay, and the seller right here is legit before you start sending your before you start giving them jobs right here, because you don't want to be messing out with people on Fiverr. Okay, you have to be careful. You have to do your due diligence. Okay, you don't just want to come here and pick anybody because their offer is very cheap. Okay, you can maybe purchase a gig from them and see if they deliver on their services or what they say they're actually going to be doing for you. Okay, before you send traffic from your Fiverr gig right there and you lost you disappoint your client. Okay, because the most important part is you get somebody on you get somebody that gives you a service to render on Fiverr, and after delivering on the service they can give you a resale and keep buying from you over and over again. That is how you're going to be making money. Okay, so you have to consider giving your customers the best service ever. So when you come to this platform, you make sure you do your due diligence, research very well, test them out, test some sellers out right here on SEO Clock. Okay, then you can start giving them jobs. Okay, that's pretty much how you're gonna get it done. Okay, just come right here on Fiverr, join, create your own gig. Okay, copy what other people are doing, other big sellers are doing. You can see this guy has gotten over 10k plus sales. Okay, 5-star rating. Okay, copy what the best are doing and create a gig on that. Okay, now like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys where to get people fast. Okay, you are a newbie on Fiverr and you want to start making money ASAP, because if you just create a gig, you might not be seeing any money, okay, but you need traffic. You need to get people, okay, to be seeing your gigs and to be sending people to your gigs. But don't just wait for Fiverr to give you customers, right? So what we're going to be doing is go to Facebook. That's the fastest way. Go to Facebook groups, okay. You can see right here, I just type in YouTube view, subscribers, like, comment, exchange, and all that. You can come to all these Facebook groups that has to do with YouTube subscribers, sub for sub, and all that. You can come to all these Facebook groups right here. Join as much group as you can, as possible, okay. Join so many groups, join as much group you can, and start hitting some of these people up and telling them who wants to be on the first page or on YouTube on their search topic, on their niche topic. Sorry, that's a search topic. On their niche topic, who want to be on the first page on YouTube, or who want to rank number 1. Okay, I can help you optimize your videos for SEO on YouTube and all that. You can start hitting all of them up, okay. Add them as friends. Some of the people inside all these groups, start adding them as friends, okay, and hitting them up, telling them that I can help you rank your videos on YouTube, okay. And some of them will give you job. They'll patronize your services on Fiverr, right? So you can start making $5, $10 as you go. You know, they have upsells, so some of them might not be okay with your basic package and want to give you money for your standard package or your premium package, okay. That is how you make money, or that is how you keep making sales and sales month after month, day after day, and over again, okay. So that's pretty much it for the first one. So as for the second one, what you're going to be doing in terms of Fiverr, okay, it's still Fiverr, okay. What you're going to be doing to make money with Fiverr, but this is going to cost you a little money, okay, to get started with, because you're going to be needing a software for this. Now you can see that a lot of people used to sell ebooks, if you know, ebook design. Let's say ebook cover design. Yes, boom. Okay, as you can see, ebook covers, okay, the person is charging $5, $15, $10, $5, $5. A lot of people are making bank with ebook covers on Fiverr. All right, a lot of people are making money with ebook covers, you see. So there's a lot you can do with this. If you're making sales on Fiverr selling ebook design, if you're a graphic designer, you can use Photoshop or you can use Adobe Illustrator to create ebook covers. But if you're not a graphic designer, you don't have any skill in terms of graphics, you're going to be using a software, okay, to sell these gigs. All right, you may think that, okay, you can't actually do this, you don't have the skill. That's what this video is all about. If you don't have a skill, this will actually help. What I'm going to be sharing with you right now, which is very, very powerful, is going to help you if you don't have a skill to design stuffs like this, okay. You can see this person has gotten over 496 sales, okay. If you times that with $5, you know, it's a lot of money, right? Let's check that out. So let's be sure. Let me see. Calculator. What did I type right there? Calculator. Okay. Let's see, 496 times $5, which people don't actually buy $5 product, right? Okay, this is $2,400, which you can actually do in a month if you're serious in terms of marketing, okay, online. You can actually do this if you are serious, okay. So now the software you're going to be using, okay, to create ebook covers like this and create gigs on Fiverr is actually this software. All right, it's actually this software, okay. So you're going to be using the software to create all these ebook cover designs, okay, which I'm going to link in the description, okay. It's actually $67 if you have the money to invest for it, okay. Then you can start placing orders on Fiverr, and it is very, very simple to use, okay. The software is not that hard. All right, it is very, very simple. You can just click the link in the description. It's actually my affiliate link right there. When you make a purchase of that, I get a commission from that, which is awesome. The software is good, okay. I know a lot of people who use this to create gigs on Fiverr, okay, with ease. They can just do plug and play. It's just like clicking and dragging and dropping, and you're already making your ebook covers, okay. It's not that hard. You can get this done even if you don't have any skills at all, okay. Once you click the link in the description, you're going to be brought to a landing page that looks just like this, okay. You can see what they're talking about right here, about the software, okay, and it is $67. It's not that expensive. It's something everybody can literally do if you put your mind to it, okay. So that's pretty much it for this video, okay guys. If you find any value from this, let me know that in the comment section, okay. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I really appreciate it to see your love, okay. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and let me know what you'd like to see in my next video, because I'm going to be putting out more content for you guys on this YouTube channel. If you're brand new, once again, my name is Francis Abogonye. I do entrepreneurship videos, make money online methods. I share my journey as well as my experiences right here on this YouTube channel. So if you like videos such as this, I invite you to hit that red subscribe button once again. Take that bell notification icon, that way you stay notified whenever I come out with new videos. And let me know what you think about this video in the comments, okay, if you're brand new, and I'm going to welcome you to the community, okay. So until next time, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye for now.